Hello, SunKiss Squad. It's Jessica J, the founder and CEO of SunKiss Organics, an organic skincare line that empowers you to hydrate, protect, and heal your skin. Today, we're going to be talking about our highly anticipated, long-awaited face mask trio, the That Good Glow Face Mask Kit. And yes, the masks are sold individually. I cannot wait to tell you all about them. They hydrate, they exfoliate, they brighten skin, and they even help prevent breakouts. Come on. Let me tell you about it. The first mask in our That Good Glow kit is the Hydrate CoQ10 and Aloe face mask. I absolutely love this mask. It is ideal for those of you with dry, sensitive, and or mature skin. It is super moisturizing, super hydrating, and one of the things that I love about this mask is that it not only helps to retain moisture in your skin, but it also helps to combat wrinkles and fine lines, and that's because the main ingredient is CoQ10 or coenzyme Q10, which is super high in antioxidants, protects the skin from environmental stressors, and it even contributes to even skin tone. Whenever I apply this mask, I find that my skin is super hydrated and that it has a physical bounce to it. It feels extremely plump, super soft, and I love to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, rinse it off, and I'm done. Our next mask is the Resurface Kojic and Turmeric face mask, and this mask is incredible. It not only brightens dull skin, but it also exfoliates really well. It helps you lighten dark spots and acne scars while also having some anti-aging benefits. One of my favorite things about this mask is the color, and what gives it this beautiful orange yellow hue is the turmeric powder in it, which, as many of us know, has antioxidant and antibacterial benefits. Another main ingredient in this product is the kojic acid, which we use one that is derived from mushrooms, and it's a naturally occurring acid that not only has anti-aging benefits, but as I mentioned before, lightens dark spots, acne scars, and it can even prevent breakouts. This mask is perfect for those of us with acne-prone skin, texturized skin, dull skin, or if you have dark spots that you're looking to slowly and gently eliminate. And last but not least, we have the infamous BHA salicylic acid mask that I absolutely adore. I like to use it right before acne is starting to develop under my skin. When you feel the bump but you don't see the pimple yet, that's the best time to apply this mask. It helps to flatten it right out and to prevent the breakout from even happening. It has a super light texture and also a light color that you can apply it and leave it overnight. One of the main ingredients is salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid. It's well known for reducing acne by exfoliating the skin and clearing your pores. It also helps to shed dead cells from the top layer of your skin. It decreases redness, swelling, and it's also really antibacterial and can be applied when you have active breakouts as well. It totally helps to clear up my pores. I tend to use it in this area right here, in my cheek area, as well as my chin area whenever it's that time of the month and I'm starting to have hormonal breakouts, which I know many of us suffer from. This baby is my secret weapon to minimizing breakouts and definitely diminishing and eliminating them once they've happened.